So I thought it might be quite fun today. RS3, we've done quite a few decats and tunes on these over the years, as you can imagine. But what I've never done is get a cheap decat pipe. There's plenty available on eBay. The customer's bought this decat. It's Aaron's car. Hi Aaron. So I'm going to use it basically. What I've not done is we rarely run a car with the cat on, then take it off, put it on the ramp, take the cat out, put a decat in, then put it back on and run it. Reason we don't do that is mainly logistical, because obviously by the time you've just run the car up, it gets bloody hot, so we rarely put them on the ramp and then touch them. So I'm going to run this up. We've tuned it already, so you know we're up on stock horsepower. I'm going to run it up. I'm going to take it off, put the decat on. I'll do a little video actually on a little DIY on how to change them, because they're a bit of a bugger on these, but I'll put that in. You can skip forward past that if you like. But yeah, we'll then change absolutely nothing. Same dyno, hopefully same day. It's the morning now, so hopefully I'll get my ass in gear, I'll do it. And then we'll pop it back on later on. Tyre pressure's the same day, same absolutely everything. And we'll run it up and just see, purely from a point of power. I know we're not going to go into the in-depth bits and pieces like exhaust pressures and temperatures and all of those things. Just let's see if just putting that decat on will actually give us any horsepower, or I might lose it, who knows. But I'm genuinely interested. So like we'll throw on this eBay Decat onto this RS3, and then we'll just compare the graphs on the dyno and see what goes down. So yeah, I'll run it up now. Like I say, we've tuned this now already, so we'll run it up now, and then I'll drag it off and get burned hands. Right, let's do that. Rightio, we've run the thing up, so we know where we're at now. We're sitting there at 428.8 horsepower. That's flywheel power and torque up at this. Hopefully I'll be able to graphic that up on the screen about now. So yeah, let's pull this thing off here and get up on the ramp, change a cat and see what goes down. Right. Hello! Quick video, Audi RS3 8P, just how to whip the cat off. We're going to put a decat pipe on this one, only a budget one off of eBay. We're going to throw it on there anyway, but it can be a little daunting when you first look at it. It's a right pain in the ass the first time. Anyway, I'm just going to do a quick time-lapse video, show you how to do it. Might save you 5 minutes, eh?
Shut up and sit down.
So both our cats are down. We've just got these two flexies left. So obviously we got to get in there and remove this. So the prop needs to come down. So we're going to take this off. There's a bearing under there. There's some bolts on the front. We're going to drop this end of the exhaust down. There's just one hanger up there. Hopefully you can see it. So we'll pop that off, let that hang down, put it on a transmission jack. Then 3 bolts there, and then we'll get the prop on the floor. So that's the next job.
Shut up and sit down.
So before you've actually tightened this, the actual V-band, you need to like leave it loose, leave it on there, but push it all the way up because the prop shaft will not fit through on the top of these cheap things. So like move this all the way up, and then we'll insert the prop shaft underneath, which it does fit, and then just leave it loose. I'm going to tighten the front half of this prop shaft. I'm going to like probably bolt the prop shaft on properly now, and then move this back down to where it should be and tighten that up. Happy days. Right, all bolted up, all done. Had to replace the bolt there. Only got to put the engine cover on, and then we'll go up, put the lambda sensor back in, put the airbox back on, and then we'll throw it on the dyno and run it up, see what it sounds like. Also, see if it's made any power. So I've run me GoPro thing out of battery, so I'm on my mobile now, so the footage is probably a little bit crap. Anyway, Decat done. Certainly noisier. So we'll run it up now and see if there's any power difference. It's certainly noisier. Okay, so dyno is set basically exactly the same. I've not even touched it. I've still got the same one on from earlier on. So we'll run it up now and see what goes down. Right. Results are in. The Chinesium Decats, the pair of Decats have we finished testing them now. Place stinks of burning WD-40 from where I've replaced the damn things. Anyway, so I'll highlight I'll put the screen up now from the dyno. I've done 3 or 4 runs on it after I warmed it through. It's fairly consistent, to be fair. It's definitely up a bit. Like early torque, peak power, you know, much of a muchness, 2, 3, 4 horse. It is what it is. But yeah, so yeah, your Chinesium Decats, they gain you about 20 foot-pound of torque and about 3 or 4 horsepower. But it certainly sounds good. Sounds much better, to be fair. It certainly made this 5-banger sound much nicer. So yeah, there we go. Stay tuned, like, subscribe, all of that nonsense. See you all soon.